All right, thank you for joining. Today I wanted to go over AVAX USDT on the Binance chart. Very straightforward, not much has changed from the last video, so I'll keep this nice and sweet and short. Right, so right now after this massive sell-off, we are still range bound, right? This, you can call it pretty much a accumulation. We are pretty much just trading in this range between the range highs and range lows, right? We came up to tap these highs. Give me 1 second here while I fix this. All right. So we came up to tap these range highs. A few times we had a slight deviation. You know, you can call it a buying imbalance before price came back within the range and is now looking to trade to the lows, right? Now, if we go ahead and get rid of this box, you can see the value area high is around $39. With the point of control sitting at $36, $37, and with the value area low at around $34. Now, one thing to keep in mind, there is a lot of confluence lining up around this untapped daily level, which sits here at $35.60. That would be the area that I am interested in taking a long position. This is not financial advice. After we sweep the lows, hopefully we do get that sweep. Obviously, price can just come down, tap the level, and go up. But there is going to be a lot of liquidity just sitting here, ready to be grabbed. So I'm assuming that price would at least come down, as I have drawn here, take the liquidity, sweep the lows, reclaim the daily level, and right here would be my entry, right? And obviously that will also coincide with this anchored VWAP from the pivot low of this entire range, right? So great area to look for long for me will be $35.60. We're going to watch the reaction, see if we do get, you know, some market structure changes here, right? If we do get that confirmed market structure change, right? Then that will be my initiation, or I might coming a little bit more initiatively and just join as soon as we get the reclaim, depending on how the order flow looks with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin does look kind of bearish overall, in my opinion, so I would not be surprised if we do get some sort of drop down. Let's go ahead and just take a quick look at that. But it is also coinciding with a lot of little confluences as well, right? We have the weekly open right below, point of control of this upper range, 618 or golden pocket, anchored VWAP from these lows. So a lot of confluence right here. And we also have the diagonal. Looks like I have two. Looks like I do have two lines here. Let's go ahead and delete one. And we also have this diagonal or dynamic support also lining up with this area right here, right? So very interesting area for Bitcoin, where I'm assuming we will get a very big reaction, right? Is either we go up or we go down pretty aggressively. If we do zoom out just a little bit, let's go to the Coinbase chart, which I have these ranges mapped out. We are currently sitting at the 0.5, so right in the middle. If we do lose this level, then we can pretty much look for 63,000, 64,000 to be tapped, right? It has been respecting these levels quite nicely, as you can see. We have reclaimed it. If we lose it, then yes, I will be looking at 64,000. If we do manage to get a push up from here, we can go ahead and try to retest 70,500, possibly new all-time highs. So at the end of the day, we are at support. And when you are at support, there's a higher probability price will go up instead of going down, right? So when you make it a little bit more simple, you can just see what you should be doing. Not you should be doing, but what I would what you think you should be doing, right? Because none of this is financial advice, but what you think you should be doing would be at least looking at longs, right? Better yet, what I will be doing is looking for long setups on altcoins, because whatever Bitcoin does, altcoins pretty much do 5x, right? So Bitcoin moves 1%, typically altcoins will move 5 to 10%, right? And right now we are at support. So with that being said, I would expect some sort of a reaction from Avax, Avalanche. But I just don't like that we are on the point of control. So we might get a little quick flush out from Bitcoin, which could push the altcoins down a little bit more. And then right here would be my entry, and that would be a very nice setup, right? So the move does not have to be too big for Bitcoin, right? If we go into the hourly, maybe we get another minor sell-off down into this anchored VWAP, 1%, which would mean, like I said, Avalanche might then move 5% right into these levels, right? Just like I said. And then we get the reclaim and price moves higher, right? So very simple, very straightforward, nothing too complicated. We are back within this value area, right? Value area high. We are trading below it. We are now trading below the point of control, so a full rotation to the value area low does seem likely, but with a lot of confluence here in the middle, hopefully it does fail to rotate, and then we go ahead and try to attempt to take out these highs, right? At around $40, $42, all right? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below with any coin you'd like to see me chart. I've been getting a little bit more comments lately, but at the same time, nobody's leaving any comments about what project they would like to see me chart, all right? So just if it's Myro, if it's Pepe, if it's Bonk, whatever it is, leave it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to chart that within a timely manner. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day.